Question given is draw DFA for set of all strings which starts with A over input alphabet A comma B. So whenever a question of the DFA is given, first try to define the language. So let's define the language for this question. Minimum string accepted by this DFA is A. Epsilon is not accepted by the DFA, so the minimum length string in this language is A. Then AA, AB, AAA, AAB, all the strings that start with A will be present in this language. Now if I consider the string BAB or BA, it will be rejected by this language. Whenever language is infinite, try to draw the DFA with the minimum length string. Here minimum length string is A. So I am considering the start state as a Q0 and consider the minimum length string. So this will be accepted and it will go to the state Q1. As this is a start state. Now whenever you want to draw a DFA, try to show the transitions for each input alphabet. Here input alphabet is A and B. Now see, Q0 on A, it goes to Q1. I have to show the transition for B also on the Q0. So Q0 on B, it will be rejected because all the strings should start with A. So if B comes, it will go to the dead state. It will go to the dead state. Okay. Now Q0 on A, it goes to Q1 and Q0 on B, it goes to the dead state or say null state. Now on Q1, I have to show the transition on the input alphabet A and B. If string starts with A, whatever may be the further inputs, I'll accept that. After A, if again A comes, I'll accept that. Even if the number of A comes, I'll accept that. Q1 on A, I will draw it as a self loop. And similarly, Q1 on B, it is a self loop because I'm not worrying about number of A's and number of B's after first A. So this is my final state. Q1. Okay. So if I want to show the transition using the transition table, how to show that? So draw all the states here, Q0, Q1. And in dead state also, even if A and B comes after this, it will remain in the same state, that is dead state. So Q0 on A, it goes to what? Q1. So there are two states, Q0, Q1 and two input alphabets A and B. Q0 on B, it goes to dead state. I'll denote the dead state as null state. Then Q1 on A, it goes to same state, that is Q1. And Q1 on B, it goes to the same state as Q1. Start state I am showing by the arrow, and let's show the final state using star. Okay, so this is transition table and this is state transition diagram. So let's define this DFA using the 5 tuples. So what are the 5 tuples? First is number of states. So what are the states here? Q0, Q1. These are the states. I am omitting this dead state. Now what about input alphabet? There are two input alphabets, that is A and B. What about initial state? Q0 is the initial state. Okay. Then what about final state? Q1 will be the final state and this is a transition function. This is a transition function which is shown by this transition table. These are the transitions.